This one's come from Pritisha from Bangalore. Hey Pritisha, you sent me a really nice collage of all my pictures. It has most of the special people in my life. It's got my mum, it's got Sash, it's got me, who was really cute when he was young. It's got Sasha again. It's got me again. It's got my baby Mischief. And we have Crystal. Not very special. It misses my dad. I think I should start posting more pictures of my father also. I'm sure he feels very left out. It says, hey Karan, how are you doing? I'm very good. I'm writing to you for the first time and I'm pretty nervous. Well, pehle to I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you. May God fulfill all your wishes. She said like a bunch of nice things about me, but she's written a really nice poem. It says a poem on Taka. As I hold my pen to write, I hope I write everything right. Karan Taka, the only person I can think is you, because I think I'm getting really attracted to you. I know it sounds desperate, but I can't help your thoughts, and I can never separate. Your sizzling chemistry with Crystal is very good, just because your friendship is too good. Can't compare you with anyone, because you are far better than everyone. You are the real hero, or Baki Sab zero. You're so hot, and I like you a lot. That is damn cute. So sweet, yeah. You've really written this yourself, then it's fantastic. You know, I always wanted to write poems. I could never rhyme, I could never write, and I'm pathetic. So you've done a fantastic job, Pritisha. Thank you so much. Sending you lots of love in Bangalore, and hope to be in the city soon. You should definitely come and meet. Guest here, we have Crystal D'Souza. For some reason, मेरा birthday पता नहीं ये इतनी excited हुई क्यों आई हुई है.
This that for you or is it for me?
This is from Amanda Dorado from Bahrain. ये मेरे लिए टॉप आया है. It's a very pretty dress actually. How sweet. और मेरा size भी है ये तो. Thank you. मैं Bahrain में आके belly dancing करूँगा. I think this is for you.
Thank you.
Oh, you should thank her.
Thank you.
Okay, this one is for. Apparently it's Crayon, not Crayon, but I think it's Crayon.
It's Kriyan.
My name is not. My name's Karan, right? So it should be.
Cry still.
No, Kriyan. I think Ryan sounds cooler. Redefining love, friends forever. Karan and Crystal, Jivika Brain from Amanda. I could be a compare. My messages to you, crying the definition of friendship. I absolutely love you guys. You guys are totally made for each other. Crystal equals to ugly. Karan
Shut
equals
up.
Oh, sorry, Crystal equals to beautiful. Beautiful plus cute plus hot equals to perfect match. क्या बात बोलिए baby. I would love to see you guys date in reality, but I would love to see you guys date in reality, but right now you can just give her a kiss and I will like it.
That's not it.
Come here, baby. You know, okay. I am not dating unlike every other.
What is
Acha, and not dating like every other tele jodi. You guys are just wow. Totally mwah. Compilation of fans from IF. What is IF?
India Forum?
I know, yeah. So defensive you all are. Message number 1. Oh, by the way, मैं आपको दिखाना तो भूल ही गया. ये ऐसे बाबा
तुम अभी भी नहीं दिखा रहे हो.
हर पेज पे एक फोटो. फोटोज ही फोटोज.
वाओ. हमारे बुढ़ापे की भी फोटोज है.
ए वाओ. I'm going to go to the next one. ये बहुत ही अच्छी फोटो है क्रिस्टल की. Don't you all think so? नाक देखो कितनी मतलब शाइन कर रही है बेबी. Somebody's photoshopped this. This can't be real.
No mean, Karan.
How have they done this to your nose? They're very mean, yeah. Stop being so mean.
Very mean. It's just because it's your birthday. I'm not gonna.
Crystal D'Souza, the king of hearts. Immensely handsome. He leaves me speechless.
Okay, bye guys. It was very nice being with you all.
Oh, there's a bikini picture of Crystal. No, it's not, yaar. You all can see it, yaar. It's a costume. Dear Kittu. Sorry, तुम्हारे लिए नहीं किसी किट्टू के लिए. I love you so freaking much, baby. My name is Amanda. I'm your
Not a
big.
message from you. This is not Amanda. Can you read it like she would have read it?
I love you so. Oh, shall I listen to an Arab accent? You are on my phone, on my laptop, on my tablet, everywhere. Listen, give us some space, yeah. I think you could use some space, right? She's everywhere, like literally. I have absolutely no words to describe you. You are immensely handsome.
You're just mean. You're immensely mean.
I watched the show only for you and Tacker. I like Tacker in capitals. Thank you. I have to send you a black. I have sent you a black dress. Hopefully it fits you. Whenever you have the time, please call me with international code 009733.
Are you stop saying her number?
It's written. She sent you a belly dancing dress. Okay, so it's just fair, right? Oh baby, editor's note. I love you. ऐसा यहाँ पे लिखा है. Okay?
Okay.
You don't want to read?
I'll read it.
Oh, she never told me she won Miss World. Cute picture. So they invited me. How mean.
Amanda, I'm going to read this letter in my own time properly, where you've not written handsome and ugly, and you've written beautiful and pretty.
This one's for Karan Tacker, the heart hacker. Hotness personified, baby.
Stop saying baby. Hello, sexy.
Please, thoda vomit na. Off. Oh, oof. मैं कहा off क्या है? You have the killing looks every time you're on screen. My heart skips a beat. I love you so much, Tacker. Whenever I hear this name, दिल में कुछ होता है.
तुम नहीं समझोगे.
I am too young to fantasize about you, but what to do? You are just as charming. Oh, by the way, my name is Amanda. Yes? Okay. Please call me whenever you are free with code 00973340. Okay. I love you guys. Oh, I love you so much. You make me smile wide as Karan and blush as Viren. You're so hot, baby. You're always burning up my TV. Jokes apart, I love you. Thank you so much, Amanda. I think that's really sweet. Like I say, you all are very nice to us. मतलब इतनी compliments तो हमारे घर वाले इसके boyfriend भी नहीं देते होंगे. मतलब कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. मेरी girlfriend भी नहीं देती. बड़ी दुखी बड़ी जिंदगी हमारी. I'm extremely sorry. This is a very disorganized presentation. It's just that my exams will begin on 3rd of March. Begin on 3rd of March?
You're a little too early there.
Next year? थोड़ा जल्दी पढ़ाई करो बेटा, आराम से. I think you'll forget by the time your exams come. I think your exams have gone. I hope you did well, Amanda. And there's a lot of pictures of me and a big I love you.
I love you, baby.
I love you too, baby. This one's come from. Hold on, let me see if there's a name inside. From Subharshi. Oh. This one's from Subharshi from Gurgaon. And she sent me a sipper. I should figure it out, but she sent me a really cool sipper. Yeah, and it's got all my pictures on it. It's got two of my favorite pictures. And cool stuff, yeah. Oh god, look at how skinny and ugly I was. So bad I used to look, yeah. This is, I think, the beginning of Odni, or some part in Odni. And I thought I looked like such a stud back then, you know. But yeah, thank you so much. This one's coming from. Oh, there's a lot of people who send this. This one, and she says, please don't miss any names. And you can see the number of names here. So let me just start. Simi, Beanie, Romani, Leena, Mohika, Ronnie, Kritika, May, Ranjini, Imani, Manita, Shyani, Sangeeta, Bhushna, Jalis, Poon, Khuzali, Uruj, Priyashri, Nainshri, Khushbu, Trupti, Heer, Shilpa, Sonal, Nikita, Jyoti, Jennifer. बहुत सारी लड़कियां हो यार तुम. Happy birthday, Karan. Do you love letters? Yes, I do. Here is the bunch of letters. I'm assuming there's letters inside this. She's written a little something for me. Poem, I think. His face can launch 1,000 posts. His smile can give us all hope. His eyes can make us weak in the knees. His lips can stop. I'm blushing, please. His hands can launch. What's that?
Thread.
A thread. His torso. Better leave it unsaid. His swagger. His swag can make us forget our walk. His style can teach us how to gawk. His voice can cast an amazing spell. His diction, there is no parallel. His acting can make us lose our speech. His talent is an immense untapped beach. Untapped beach. God bless you this day, Karan Thacker. Keep shining in our eyes and make all our hearts beat faster. So sweet, yaar. You're like damn creative, yaar. I feel so.
I love that his lips can stop. I'm blushing.
Yeah, I mean, I'm so gawar, yaar. I could never write poems, but really sweetly written. And she said it right away, and I found this line damn cute. It actually made me blush. So sweet. There's a bunch of, oh wow, there's a lot of letters here. And they've nicely made it like that. Cool stuff here. Waki, even my mom was saying, because there was some, people write letters and send, and you guys really put on a lot of hard work, yeah. It's really sweet. I'm not going to read all. I'll just, I'll randomly read. Ramani, my Ramani. Dear Karan, wish you a very happy birthday. Leena, hi Karan. This is your RBO fan, Leena from Kolkata. Happy birthday. Jyoti, many happy birthdays. Jennifer, Imani, Kritika, Sagita, Ronnie, May, Bushra, Yashwan, Simi. Poem on the envelope is by Simi. Siggies by Hina, Nainshri, Khushbu. Thank you. Very sweet. Huh?
Siggies are these.
What is that?
Siggies.
What's
The
Siggies?
are made by those girls, na?
What are Siggies?
Siggies are these things.
They're called Siggies.
The combination.
Oh yeah, I'm damn gawar, yeah.
I knew you didn't know that.
I thought Siggies is somebody's name. So Simi is somebody's name only.
Simi is the one who written the poem. And
Ah,
the
so
Siggies are made
now if you all write it like that, I'll think like it's a name only, no? Shani, right now you're having everything, enjoying a great time. So I was wondering what I should do. Wish you for your birthday. Thank you, Monica. Happy birthday, Manita. Dear Karan, no matter where you go, no matter what you do, my deepest wishes will always be with you. Beanish, dear Karan, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. There's so many. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. They have all sent me Cadbury to celebrate. Thank you. This one's from Tanzima Chaudhary from Canada. Chaudhary, are you Punjabi? Because I've heard there's a lot of Punjabis and Canada's as good as being in Punjab itself. I just met a few people from Canada actually just last night. A lot of fun. She sent actually a bunch of things like you can see. I feel this is a soft post. Okay, anyways, I'll open this. It's pink! I like pink, but if there was Crystal was here, she would jump with another kind of joy. Oh, she sent me a picture of her. I think this is you. Hi. It says, Dear Taka, I wish I would spend lots of time with you in my life. You're very close to my heart, but we are personally very far from each other. I always wanted to be online at the time that you chat, but I never got a chance to chat with you because of the time difference. You chat most of your afternoon times, and that time is midnight here, and that's what I could do. Don't worry, I'll catch you next time. And she says, please come to Toronto soon. I am, I'm actually looking forward to one of my trips to Canada. So you never know. She sent a birthday card. My birthday wish for you. And she's done a lot of stuff inside. That's really cool. Let's read this. I want to be with someone who makes you feel like the most important person in the world, because in my world, that's who you are. I want to be everything you are to me. How sweet, yeah. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. And she's made this little collage. Oh, there's a poem behind this. On this special day, as you celebrate your birthday, here's wishing a whole lot of sweet surprises coming your way. Thank you. And she's actually written this herself. I love that. That's cute. Damn cute. Looks like better sunglasses. Wowee! Do I look good? I think I look good. Thank you यार, but I'm really disappointed यार. मैं इतने interviews में बोल चुका हूँ that please guys, जितना हो सके यार, I love reading letters and I love reading cards and I love keeping them. You all don't need to send me materialistic things. I'm absolutely okay. But nonetheless, thank you so much. I love them. They're very hot. It's a bunch of other things. Sorry, I'm ripping the gift wrapping like this. These stones are your birthstones. If you don't want to wear this locket, then you can put the stones in your pocket and keep it always with you. It will help you with lots of positive energy. Wow, yeah. Damn cool. Thank you. That's really sweet. It says, may God's angels always watch over you. And it's got a really cute pink angel right here. That's so sweet. Thank you. Ooh, damn hot. Very nice, yeah. It says, I love you. I love you too. I love the red. It's so bright. Very nice, yeah. Damn sweet. She sent me clothes. And sent me a really cool jacket. Yo. Very hot, yeah? Oh, thank God I said very hot instead of very sweet. Sound like a chick. Oh. This is by the same girls, Sumi, Famida and Fatma. And it says, Taka, you better have a license because you are driving us crazy. Yeah, you guys are damn sweet. Like I've said this before, they've sent me so many things. Every day trying to make my birthday so exciting for me. And I think it's absolutely adorable, the kind of effort that you guys are making. I remember you guys coming to my vanity van to meet me when you were in Bombay. And I think it's really sweet, yeah. Thank you. Our birthday wishes just for you with lots of love. From all of us, all the 3 girls. 4 girls actually, but sweet. Thank you. You gotta send me a damn cute collage. And my most favorite picture is this. Finally my dad and me in a picture. Papa, hi. This is from one of my birthdays, I think about 6 years back. Don't I still look the same after 6 years? Still young, right? And that's them. Look at my expression here. I'm so happy hugging 2 girls. At times, I feel lucky to be hugging so many girls. But honestly speaking, I look forward to going out to an event and being hugged by so many girls. It's a blast. And I would kill for this job. मैं सारे फैंस को कहना चाहूँगा कि आप लोग बहुत करते हो. बहुत ज़्यादा करते हो इनफैक्ट टू मेक आवर डे सो स्पेशल. आप हमें जानते नहीं हो पर्सनली, बट you all do so much that even our family and our close friends don't do. So truly, from the heart, a big thank you for making this day, the week, the month so much fun and so exciting that I'm actually on my toes every time the bell rings or these guys come in with all these things. I'm really excited and I'm like a little kid. So thank you for making this birthday fantastic. Thank you so much.